This channel is basically math and science. I have over 20 years of experience of taking mathematics. We have seasoned professionals on all fields. So this is the best channel to be. The experience is there. Experience is the best teacher. Over 200 clips have been uploaded on this channel. And this involves different courses: engineering maths, numerical method 1 and 3, advanced math for A level, and lot more. We also have a series for solving past exam questions, consulting, services. That's our goal. How do we solve Bernoulli differential equation? And you can now transform this one finally to this form, and that will be equal to y prime plus. This is what? This is first order differential equation. Why? Then let's look at how can we solve linear differential equation. We'll be looking at separable differential equation. How do we solve them? And then after that, I'll take questions. And how can we find yp, okay, of the second order differential equation? From here, let x be equal to what? Let x be equal to 1. The first rule is that if the degree of numerator, if you are new on this channel, the only way you can assist this channel is to subscribe so that you can keep track of the updates of this channel. Click on the notification bell, click on like button, and type your comments. Why not subscribe right now? Do it right now and make it a multiplier effect. Invite your friends and family members to do likewise. Thank you for doing that.